Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do another Bakugan YouTube video. And it's not the Dragonoid. I got the Gorthion. This is actually a really cool guy. This guy is known as the Awesome Ones. If y'all haven't seen Bakugan, it's on Netflix. Go watch it. It's actually pretty cool. I'm on like episode 13. It's actually pretty sick. I'm not gonna spoil it for y'all. Just go watch it down below on Netflix. It's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna open this right now. Wow. What's this? Oh yeah, these are the battle cords. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Never mind. Oh, sorry guys, I just blocked you. These are the Bakugan battle cords for I forgot what was Gorthion. These are the battle cords for Gorthion. I gotta make a really quick YouTube video because my phone is on 10%. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh, that's the reason why. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll go get the scissors. Face scissors. Don't you forget to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my YouTube videos that are really cool. God. Oh, that's easy. Okay. Oh my god, this is so... Oh my god. I'm gonna open it. There's only one way. I have to pull it. That doesn't even work also. Okay, sorry. Sorry, I'm gonna have to end this video right now because my phone is fixing to die. Oh yeah, and I'll get probably, yeah, I'm gonna have to end this video right now because that is stuck right there. I cannot show you. I'm upset of myself right now. Oh yeah, before I end this video, I'm gonna show y'all the Gorthion card. This what it does. This is what it looks like. It's cool. Oh yeah, and tells you how to. These are the directions to download the app and what cool things I can do. And it also tells you about all the new Bakugan that you can get. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's gonna be all. I'm probably gonna. Yeah, that's probably gonna be it. I'm probably gonna do another Bakugan video tomorrow. Okay, so I'll see y'all guys tomorrow, and peace. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, when I make another YouTube video. Okay, bye.